Have you ever wondered how websites like these, with their mesmerizing animations and elegant designs, are created? The magic behind it is CSS, a powerful language that lets you style and lay out web pages. In this tutorial, we'll dive into the world of CSS and explore 3 fundamental methods to style your HTML elements: inline, internal, and external style sheets. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding these methods is crucial for creating beautiful and responsive websites. Before entering the tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe if you find this informative and crave for more tutorials like this. Let's start with the simplest method, inline styles. This involves directly applying styles to an HTML element using the style attribute. While it's quick and easy for minor tweaks, it's not recommended for complex styling or large-scale projects. For more organized and maintainable styles, we turn to internal style sheets. These styles can be defined within any section of your HTML document using the style tag. The most efficient and scalable way to style your web pages is by using external style sheets. These are separate CSS files linked to your HTML document using the link tag. By mastering these 3 methods, you'll be well equipped to create stunning and responsive web pages. Remember, practice is key. Experiment with different styles, colors, and layouts to unleash your creativity. Happy coding!